Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new LOUK Timex 1971 Velocity reissue. The original version of this watch was released in 1971 by Timex and remained a part of their catalog for several years, with a no-date variant and different band options being added, such as the example shown here featuring a link expansion band known as reference number 767702. This new Timex Velocity is very similar in appearance to the original, giving it a strong 70s vibe with new added improvements. Here's the new watch next to an original. One of the first details that caught my eye was the matching blue elapsed time rotating bezel. This is made of aluminium, friction fit, and bidirectional. This differs from the original version, which featured a black countdown bezel. Another striking feature is the bright orange tapered seconds hand, reminiscent of its speedometer needle. Beneath this are black and white minute and hour hands with lume inserts. The eye-catching blue and orange dial features Polish chamfered silver tone applied square indices with lume dots. These are separated by a checkered racing flag design. This new version has a slightly smaller, more discreet date window at 3 o'clock. I feel that the new dial colors add quite a bit of retro flair to this timepiece. Protecting the dial is a domed acrylic crystal similar to that of the original. In contrast to the original watch that consisted of a chrome-plated base metal case and snapback, this new version features a larger updated stainless steel case with a 4-screw case back. This has both a brushed and polished finish. According to my caliper, the case measures at approximately 37 mm wide with a height of 42 mm. The lug width is 20 mm as opposed to 19 mm on the original. According to Timex's website, this has a water-resistant rating of up to 50 meters. Power in the hands is a Miyota quartz movement. According to Miyota's website, this movement has a battery life of 3 years and an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds a month. It has a push-pull crown and features hacking seconds as well as a quick date setting, so that one can more efficiently adjust the time. I consider this to be an upgrade from the original M41 electric movement, which had a lower accuracy rate and shorter battery life. The watch also features a brushed and polished stainless steel 5-link bracelet. I feel this matches the look of the original while also being an improvement with removable links, a deployant clasp, and quick-release spring bars. As far as thoughts go, I am happy with this new retro-themed Timex edition. I like the case-shape color combination of the racing-themed dial and seconds hand, as well as the addition of a metal bracelet. I have found it to be comfortable, reliable, and even received a few compliments. I feel that the overall quality of the watch is great value for the price. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.